In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix Business Email 2026 step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll have a professional inbox that matches your domain and is ready to use. Start by signing into your Wix account and opening the site you want to connect with your business email. This ensures the settings, subscriptions, and domain you work with are tied to the correct website. Next, head to the business email area. On the left sidebar, scroll to Marketing and SEO or Customer Management and click Business Email. If you prefer another route, click your profile icon in the top right, go to Premium Subscriptions, then choose Business Email. Both paths land you in the same place, so use whichever feels faster. A custom domain is required to create something like info@yourdomain.com. If you don't have a domain yet, Wix will prompt you to purchase one. If you already have a domain, double check it's connected properly. Using Wix name servers is the smoothest option because Wix can automate most of the email setup behind the scenes, reducing delays and DNS issues. Now choose your Google Workspace plan. Wix Business Email runs on Google Workspace, which means you get Gmail with your domain plus Google's tools. Business Starter includes 30 gigabytes of storage, basic security, and Gemini AI for Gmail. Business Standard bumps you to 2 TB, adds enhanced meeting features, and supports shared drives. Business Plus provides 5 TB with advanced security and compliance tools. Pick the plan that aligns with your team size, storage needs, and security requirements. You can upgrade later if your needs grow. Create your email address by selecting the prefix that appears before the @ sign. Common choices include hello, sales, or your own name. Then set a strong, unique password for the new admin account. Keep it secure, as this account controls access to your mailbox. Choose a monthly or yearly billing cycle and complete checkout. After payment, give Wix a few minutes, about 5, to connect everything with Google. It's normal for this brief processing time. When prompted, return to the business email page and click Confirm Setup or Sign in to Gmail. You'll be asked to log in to your new Google admin account and accept Google's terms of service. This step finalizes activation, so don't skip it. You're now ready to send branded emails. Visit gmail.com and sign in with your new business credentials or manage users and licenses directly from your Wix dashboard. Send a quick test email to confirm everything looks right and consider adding a professional signature to round out your brand. That's it for this guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.